Hi guys, welcome to this new tutorial for beginners. So at the last tutorial we have learned how to carry the thread, how to carry the hook, and also we have learned how to do a slip knot and how to do a chain stitch, right? Okay. So at this new tutorial we are going to learn how to do a single crochet stitch. So first of all, to do that we are going to do a slip knot. Okay, let's wrap the line, the thread, and we start to make a slip knot. So let's put the hook in the right position and then take the loose end and throw it over the line that you are keeping with your other hand. Keep it with your two fingers and then yarn under with your hook and then pull through, and this is a slip knot. And now let's make a chain stitch with 10 chains. Okay, so let's yarn under and pull through, and 1, and yarn under and pull through, and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 chains. Okay, so now we are going to start and do the single crochet stitch. For the single crochet stitch we don't need to yarn under, but we just carry on and directly insert the hook at the first next stitch. So we are going to insert the hook not at the first stitch but at the second one. So let's insert the hook and then we are going to yarn under the yarn and pull through. Then yarn under again and pull through again. Let's do it one more time. Insert the hook, yarn under, pull through, yarn under, pull through and pull through. So let's do it one more time. Insert the hook, yarn under, pull through, yarn under, pull through again. Okay, so now let's just do the whole row with the single crochet stitch. Okay, so this is a row of a single crochet stitch. So now let's make a chain and then turn around like this. Okay, so now let's do a single crochet stitch on the way back. So we insert the hook. If you see here, there is a small hole, so insert the hook there. So the picture will be like this. Okay, and then you just yarn under and pull through, and then again yarn under, pull through and pull through again. Okay, so let's do it one more time. So if you see, this is the hole where we are going to insert the hook, yarn under, pull through, and then yarn under, pull through and pull through again. So let's do it one more time. Insert the hook, yarn under, pull through, yarn under, pull through and pull through again. Okay, so now let's do the single crochet stitch until the end of the row. So this is how I do a single crochet stitch, and I hope for you who are new to my channel this is helpful. And if you like this tutorial, give me a thumbs up, and if you are not new, thank you for watching.